prevent anyone from accessing your iPhone's control center while it's locked. This is one setting every iPhone user should change. Open the Settings app, then tap on Face ID and Passcode. If you have an older iPhone with Touch ID, tap on Touch ID and Passcode instead. Enter your iPhone's passcode, then scroll down until you find the Allow Access When Locked section. Here, you'll see an option called Control Center. If it's turned on, anyone can swipe down on your lock screen and open Control Center without unlocking your iPhone. That means they can turn airplane mode on, disable Wi-Fi, change Bluetooth settings, manage AirDrop, and access other Control Center controls, all without ever unlocking your device. To stop that from happening, simply turn off the toggle next to Control Center. From now on, whenever your iPhone is locked, nobody will be able to open Control Center until the device is unlocked. This is especially useful if your iPhone is ever lost or falls into someone else's hands, because it prevents them from making quick changes from the lock screen before they even unlock the phone. It's a small setting, but it can make a big difference when it comes to protecting your privacy and keeping your iPhone more secure. If you found this tip helpful, make sure to leave a like, subscribe for more iPhone tips and tricks, and I'll see you in the next one.